Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Bernice, and to my returning subscribers, I say thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. And if you're new here, we do lifestyle vlogs, so you're very much welcomed in this channel. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then remember to click on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload any video, and give me a thumbs up. So today guys, today is my off days actually, so I'm going to thoroughly clean my house. I've noticed that my floor is very dirty. After removing my carpet, that's when I come to notice that my floor has some whitish stains. So I'm going to carry this table and put it on my bed so that it can create enough space for me to wash my floor. I'm going to use some clean water with Omo, then I'll go ahead and use my rag to mop my floor. This how bad my floor was guys. It has these whitish stains, and I guess it's because of the moisture from my carpet, because my carpet is very warm. So please come with me and let's wash together. So after washing the centerpiece of my house, I went ahead and returned this table into its position. One thing about this table is it's very heavy and it needs a lot of care and attention when being carried. Reason being, it's a metallic table and it can be easily break when not carried with a lot of care. I then finished cleaning the rest of the house. Then I went ahead and cleaned my carpet and some of my clothes which were also dirty. I'm using Ariel and a Zenta type of soap to wash my clothes. One thing I love about Ariel is it has a good scent and it leaves your clothes very soft. I then went ahead and rinsed my clothes, then I hung them on my clothesline so that they can hold. At this point guys, I felt very hungry and I went ahead and fried my sukuma wiki together with my ugali for lunch. So